First up we'll go 8mm into rebar. I'll do all these tests with 8mm because that's just a good intermediate size. Now, hardening is going to be an issue. Can be an issue. There's two ways to deal with hardening. You can either go very slow, which I'm going to be, in bottom gear, 146 RPM, and use no coolant. That way you won't get a chill factor. Or you can go slow speed and use coolant all the time. Where people go wrong is they use coolant intermittently. So your workpiece gets hot and then suddenly you give it a chill with some coolant. And it's just like chilling any hot metal, it'll harden it. So I'm going to start off by doing this slow speed with no coolant and see how it goes. If it does the job, we'll stick to that. Yeah, that's the danger. Unless you've got a constant cooling supply, you'll get a chill factor and you see smoke coming off. Okay, we'll try this first and see what happens. 146. 8mm rebar. Okay, that was no problem. We'll try a bit of coolant on it to see if it's any easier. About the same, maybe slightly easier, not much. So it handles rebar fine. Scrap railway dog plate. Let's try that. You see, this easy. This does this easy as effortless. Scott Bonner lawnmower mystery metal. Very hard, this stuff. Piece of cake. Absolutely no effort whatsoever. This is the mystery metal that's really hard. Just trying to face it and the lathe is just bogging down, even with light cuts. If you can drill this, it's really going to be doing something special. This is really, really hard stuff. I'm trying to just take a very light facing cut off. You can see the lathe is in bottom gear and it's straggling. Okay, so we know that's really, really hard. Super hard. So, let's try the drill, see what it does. If it can get through this, it'll be something. Really something. Okay, here goes nothing. Whoa, yeah, look at this. That's pretty amazing. I'm guessing that this steel is possibly hydraulic ram or something like that. I'm not sure what it is. It's really, really hard. Alright, I'll put a bit of coolant on there. See if it makes it a bit easier for it. We're in the lowest speed, we're in bottom gear. There's no way you would tap a thread in this stuff. It'd be impossible. Absolutely. Pretty good. That was pretty impressive. Alright, this is spring steel. I'll try and put a start point in it with a high-speed steel centre drill. Yes, getting into it. But it's struggling, really struggling. Okay, I don't want to break the tip off, so I won't go any harder. Now we'll try the 8mm drill. I reckon it might do this. But this is spring steel, for sure you can see, you know, it's been cut down. Okay, here we go. It's doing it, slowly. Oh, a little bit. Yeah, it's doing a good job of it. I never thought it would do this. It's making it easy work of it. It's amazing. Maybe it's not very hard spring. Hey, look at that. Easy. Did it easy. That's amazing. Alright, let's try some stainless steel. See how we go on that. This is pretty hard stuff. Walk in the part. Walk in the part. Put a bit of lube on it. Piece of cake. I gotta say, these are really good. They're fantastic. Yeah, no problem with them whatsoever. They're way better than the other cobalt ones I've got. They cut cleaner and yeah, they're very sharp. That edge still feels as sharp as a razor. Yep, these are good. These are really good. Here's the cutting edges. You can see they're good shape. They didn't suffer any damage. Very sharp as when I started. Yeah, the drill did a good job and handled all that stuff. No problem whatsoever. So yeah, I'd have no trouble at all giving this a 10 out of 10. I think these are as good as I've seen. Certainly they did a good job, and yeah, I'd have no trouble recommending these to anyone. Alright, now the product, the link is in the video description if anyone's interested in getting a set of these. And yeah, that's it for this review. So that's it for me, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.